Hello, beautiful people of YouTube. Hope you're fine. Hope you're okay. Hope you're good. I'm fine as well. This is the makeup look that I created using the 2022 makeup trends or the latest trends that are been going on in the makeup world. If you like this makeup look, watch the video till the end because I have shared some information, some very important information that will help you in uplifting your makeup game, and it will make makeup quite easy for you. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So today we are going to talk about my makeup routine, the makeup that I carry every single day in 2022. It's really easy. Makeup has changed over the past few years and it's continuously changing. New trends are coming and the old ones are going out. I've already applied a moisturizer and usually apply makeup like in the afternoon or later in the evening because I'm usually busy in the morning time. We start off with my eyes, a concealer. Let's start. I am going to use this palette. When I apply makeup on a daily basis, I don't use any brush. I use my fingers to apply the eyeshadow. Some people might think it's gross, but I think using brushes every day is grosser. So if you can read this, it says eat your heart out, which is again very funny and very punny as well. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this color. It says mac and cheese, and I'm gonna apply a very thinnest layer of this color. So I'm going to use this color over here, and then I'm going to apply it with my fingers. Gross. To line my eyes, and then I'm going to give it a little bit of smoke. So this is a kajal pencil that I'm going to use, and you have to apply it roughly on your eyes. Just don't be precise with it because eventually it's going to get blended. I'm going to blend this all out with a dark brown shade. I'm not going to use black because it's gonna get out of control. This is the palette that I'm using. I love Revolution and it's pigmented. Blend it all out. I'm gonna do the same with this side. With liner you have to be extremely precise, and I'm just going to apply the liner till here. I'm not going to go all the way up there. So I had to relocate. I'm going to complete the rest of my makeup. My eyes are done, but I haven't applied mascara. Using this mascara, I am in love with it. It's so good. If you have very tiny lashes, I think this one's so good. It works perfect on every lash type, especially the ones that really tiny. I have very tiny lashes. And the cherry on top, I don't like applying falsies because they're too much of a work. I feel so uncomfortable with them. These up. Going to do the color correction first because I have little tiny acne marks at some of the points of my face, and then I will be applying the foundation. For my under eye dark circle, I am going to use this orange shade, which is ruined. I guess my son has ruined my color corrector. Now for the acne mark, I'm going to hide them out with this green color. Always use green character for hiding out any acne mark or acne scar. Apply a concealer over it. I'll be using this medium coverage Fit Me foundation. It's perfect for day-to-day use. It's not very high coverage. It's extremely light and it gives a little bit shine on your face. The next step is to line up my eyebrows with the pomade. I'm going to use the same brush that I used in my last video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. You can see the card over here. And I'm also going to link it down in my description box so that you'll find it. I love this brush. I've used it in my last video and I didn't use it after that, but it's extremely good and it works well. And I will start lining it out. So the rule of thumb is to create two lines, one up here and one down here with some filling. Just make light strokes with my eyebrows are done. Okay, so for contouring I'm going to use this contouring stick from Maybelline. So I usually contour my cheeks and a little bit of my double chin and my nose, especially I have bigger nose. Some concealer just here. Apply 2 dots over here at this side and at this side so that my nose would stand out a little bit. Apply maybe 2 dots of concealer over here and then like 1 dot over here. So whenever you're contouring your cheeks, try to go upwards while blending. Face will have some dimension and your cheekbone will get highlighted a little bit more. This works well especially for people who have chubby face. And when you are contouring your jawbone, try to give the downward strokes like that, just to give the illusion that your jawbone is aligned and on fleek. As you can see, your face will look quite aligned and very contoured. Even though you haven't used a lot of product, little bit of concealer on your waterline and then some over here, and you will see the difference it will make with your eyes. Just dab it all out. What this trick does is that it will lift up your eyes and it will make you look a little bit more alert and active. Just a little bit here. I'm going to apply this eyeshadow and this one for my under eyelids. I've applied the eyeshadow. I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm going to use this blush and stick from Pinkflash that I used in my last video as well. I love it so much because it's perfect for everyday makeup look. You can see it's extremely light and it's very blendable as well. I'll be highlighting the tip of my nose, under my eyebrows like on my brow bone, and then some here, a little bit over here. I'll make 3 lines on my cheeks. For me, one of the most likable step in a makeup look is lipstick. I put a lot of consideration on my lips and the lipstick that I'm going to wear. I'm gonna take extra out. Is the soft lip gloss that I'm going to use. It's from Hang Fang, and I discovered it in a dollar store. That's my favorite place to be. Now the trick is to use a brown shade like this one and apply it under your lips like that. It will give definition to your lips. I have fuller lips, but if you don't have fuller lips, you can try this. So that is it, guys. This is the trending makeup look of 2022. I followed all of the trends that are going for makeup in this year, and I've created this look for you guys. It's very simple, it's very easy, very minimalistic, and different, definitely different from what we were following like few years back. If you like it, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I would also like to know what kind of makeup trend you're following, what trends you are keeping from the last year and the year before that. I would definitely like to talk to you guys because I love you all so much. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you for giving my last video 1,000 views. So humble, so thankful to you guys for doing that. Anyways, I'm going to meet you in my next video, which will be uploaded pretty soon. But this is it. This is what I wanted to give to you guys. This is what I wanted to teach you guys.